Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create IndiaMART leads as Vtiger contact. So here I'm a sales manager in my company, and now what I want is that for my company I'm receiving a lot of leads through IndiaMART. Now as I'm going to receive a new lead through IndiaMART, then automatically I want to create this lead as a contact in my CRM application, that is Vtiger. So here for doing this automatically and for my objective, what I need to do is I need to build a connection between IndiaMART and Vtiger. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, as I'm going to receive a new lead through IndiaMART, then automatically by using all the detail of my lead, I'm going to create a new contact in Vtiger. So how I'm going to build this connection and how I'm going to build this automation, for that, let me take you to my computer screen.
I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can add IndiaMART lead as Vtiger contact. So here suppose I'm a sales manager at a manufacturing company that receives numerous leads from IndiaMART, which is a popular online marketplace for businesses. So to manage these leads effectively, I want to automatically add them as contacts in my Vtiger CRM. So this will help me in keeping all the leads organized in one place, making it easier for my sales team to follow up and track potential customers. So here for example, my company manufactures industrial machineries and receives leads from businesses interested in my products via IndiaMART. So managing these leads efficiently is crucial for my sales process, so I want to ensure that all the leads are automatically added to my Vtiger CRM application. And for doing all this automatically, what I need to do is I need to build a connection between IndiaMART and Vtiger, and that I'm going to do with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration, and now with Pabbly Connect, as I'm going to receive a new lead for my business through IndiaMART, then automatically I'm going to add that lead as a contact in my Vtiger CRM application. So in this video, I will walk you through the process of setting up this automation using Pabbly Connect, and I will show you how to connect IndiaMART with Vtiger CRM, and this will ensure that all the leads are captured and managed within your CRM system without manual intervention. So this automation simplifies lead management, reduces the risk of lost leads, and improves the overall efficiency of my sales process. So here for setting up this automation, I need to use Pabbly Connect, and for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab, and here I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in my landing page, I have two options of sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time, and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create IndiaMART leads as Vtiger contact. And now what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and here in this tab I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account, and I'm going to use this IndiaMART folder. So I'm going to select that, and I'm going to click on create. And here it will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here in this window, we have two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So we need to first set up my trigger. So here for setting up my trigger, what I need to do is I need to first search for my trigger application. And here in my trigger application, I'm going to use IndiaMART. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select IndiaMART here. Now I have to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab, and new leads will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to connect IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions, and first I need to copy this webhook URL. And now for building this connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect, I need to first log into my IndiaMART account that I have already did. So I'm going to take you to my IndiaMART account. And now here for connecting IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect, I need to first go to this option of Lead Manager. So I'm going to open this. And now here in Lead Manager, I need to click on this menu button. And I need to click on this import/export leads. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Push API. So I'm going to select this. Now here in this option of Push API integration, what I need to do is I need to activate my API, and by using API, I'm going to connect IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. So here for setting up this integration of Push API, what I need to do is I need to first select my source. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I can select any source that I want to use, but here my source is not provided. So I'm going to use other here, and here it will take us to webhook listener. So here what I need to do is I need to first give my CRM platform name and the webhook listener URL. So here what I need to do is I need to give the CRM platform name for which I'm going to create this API integration, and here I'm going to connect Pabbly Connect with IndiaMART. So I'm going to give my platform name as Pabbly Connect, and now I need to give my webhook listener URL. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste my webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect, and by using that webhook I'm going to connect IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that webhook URL here. And now as I've added my webhook, what I need to do is I need to click on Save Details. And now here I need to select the option for why I want to connect IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I can select any option that I want. So I'm going to select any random option here, and I'm going to click here to generate OTP so that I can connect IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. And here we can see I have successfully added webhook in IndiaMART, and I have connected IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. So as I've created this connection, I need to first take you to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this response? For that, I need to first generate a lead in IndiaMART for my business. And as I'm going to generate that lead, then automatically the response of that lead will be received here in Pabbly Connect. So here for generating the lead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a test lead. So here I'm only going to generate the test lead so that I can create this workflow between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect, and I can build this automation. So for generating the test lead, I need to take you back to my IndiaMART account. And here for generating the test lead, what I need to do is I need to click on this test your webhook listener URL. So I'm going to click here. And now here I have this option of test. So here by clicking on this test button, it is going to send the data of the test lead automatically to this webhook URL that we have added. And for generating the test lead, I'm going to click on test. And here we can see I have successfully sent the data of the test lead to Pabbly Connect. So here I have generated the test lead. So I'm going to close this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So this is my response of the test lead that I've just generated by using IndiaMART. And automatically in the same way, you are going to receive the lead details that you are going to receive in IndiaMART for your business in Pabbly Connect. So here in this response, I have received the status of that is success. I have the unique query ID. Also, I have the response subject that is of requirement for empty mineral water bottle. So this is my lead requirement, and I have the state of my lead that is Uttar Pradesh. I have the random pin code. Also, I have the random phone number of my lead, and I have the name of my lead that is Prabhat. Also here I have received the random mobile number of my lead. So these are the random mobile number of my lead. And I have also received the email address of my lead. I have the company name that is ABC Private Limited. I have the lead sender city that is Noida. I have the address. And here in this response, I have received the query product name that is for mineral water bottle. And I have the query message or my lead requirement that is my lead wants to purchase an empty mineral water bottle. Kindly send me the price and other detail. And here he wants a quantity of 1 lakh pieces. Also, the probable order value is going to be around rupees 10 to 20 lakhs. So this is my lead message that he has sent, and here this is the requirement that my lead wants. But here, as this is a test lead, I have received all these details. Also here I have received this as a test product. This is not the product that is listed on my IndiaMART account. When you will receive the real lead detail, when you will not generate the test lead, you will get the lead for the listed product that you have on your IndiaMART account. So in the real time, you are going to receive the detail of the new lead that you are going to receive for your business from IndiaMART. And here my objective is that as I'm going to receive a new lead detail from IndiaMART, then automatically I want my lead to create as a contact in my CRM application, that is Vtiger. So here I have received all the detail of my lead from IndiaMART. So what I need to do is I need to use all the detail of my lead and I want to create this as a contact in Vtiger. So for that, what I need to do is I need to set up my actions tab. And here my action application is going to be Vtiger. So I'm going to search for that and I'm going to select Vtiger CRM as my action application. And now I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I'm going to use this action event of create contact. So I'm going to select this. And I'm going to connect Vtiger CRM with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. And for that, I'm going to click on this connect button. And here I'm going to create a new connection. So here for connecting Vtiger CRM with Pabbly Connect, I need to give the username, access key and the domain. So first here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the domain of my Vtiger application. And for getting the domain, I need to take you to my account of Vtiger. And here for the domain, what I need to do is I need to go to path URL. And here in path URL, I have my domain. So this is my domain till this vtiger.com. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in domain, I'm going to paste that. Now for the domain, what I need to do is I need to exclude my protocol, which is https://. So I'm going to clear this. And also I want to exclude this last slash. And now my domain is completed. Now what I need to do is I need to get my username and the access key. So here for getting these details, I need to again take you to my Vtiger application. And now in my right admin icon, I'm going to click here. And here I need to go to my preferences. So I'm going to open this. And here in preferences, we can see I have my username. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And I'm going to paste that here in this tab of username. Similarly, I have to get my access key. So I'm going to again take you to Vtiger. And here this is the access key. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And I'm going to paste that here in this tab. Now I have filled all the required details. So what I need to do is I need to click on save. And here I have connected Vtiger CRM with Pabbly Connect. Now here for creating a new contact, what I need to do is I need to fill all these details. And here I have all these tabs so that I can fill the detail of my lead. Now first I need to select my contact type. And as I'm receiving a new lead through IndiaMART, so I want to create my contact type as lead. So it is already selected, but you can also select all these other contact types too. So I'm going to select lead here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use all the detail of my lead that I've received through IndiaMART. And I'm going to use those responses or those detail of my lead to create a new contact in Vtiger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the responses of IndiaMART lead here in these tabs. And for that, I'm going to use mapping. So what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I will open this response of IndiaMART, and here I need to map the first name. So I'm going to search for the name of my lead. So here as I have generated the test lead, so I'm just receiving the first name of my lead. But when you will receive your lead, you will receive the full name of the lead. So I'm just going to map this as my first name, and also I'm going to map this as the last name too. So here I have mapped the first name and the last name of my contact. So this is going to be same, but here I have used the name of my lead as the first name and the last name too, because this is a test lead, and in the test lead it has not generated the last name of my lead. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the email address of my lead. So I'm going to click here. I will search for the email address, and I'm going to map the email address of my lead. Now as I have mapped the email address, what I need to do is I need to scroll down. And here I'm going to map the mobile number of my lead. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of IndiaMART. And here this is the mobile number of my lead. So I'm going to map this. Also here I can map all these other details like the department, birthday, address street, address city, address state, country code, and all other details. So as I'm also receiving address detail of my lead, so I'm going to map those details too. So as I mapped these details, I have made these details dynamic. Now what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new lead through IndiaMART, then automatically all these details that I've mapped here are going to get replaced with the new detail in the real time. So every time I'm going to receive a new lead through IndiaMART, then automatically by using all the detail of that lead, a new contact will be created in my CRM application, that is Vtiger. Now here what I need to do is I need to scroll down, and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have created a new contact in my Vtiger application. And here I have used all the detail of my lead that I have received through IndiaMART to create a contact in Vtiger. So to check whether I've created a new contact or not, I'm going to take you to Vtiger, and here in Vtiger, I'm going to go to Contacts. Now here in Vtiger, we can see I have created this new contact that has the first name as Prabhat, last name as Prabhat 2. As I have received the test lead and I have not received the last name of my lead, so I have used the first name as last name 2 because that was a required detail. So in the real time, when you will receive the lead, you are going to receive the first name and the last name of your lead. So you can map that individually. And here we can see I have created this contact in Vtiger with all the detail of my lead that I have received through IndiaMART. So I'm going to open this. And here this is my contact. So the name is Prabhat. I have this email address. I have the random phone number. Also I can go to details. And here in details, we can see I have added all these other detail of my contact, like the mailing street, that is sector 135 Noida, Uttar Pradesh. I have the mailing city, that is of Noida, and the mailing state is Uttar Pradesh. So here we can see I have received all these detail of my lead through IndiaMART, and by using those detail, I have automatically created a new contact in Vtiger, which is my CRM application. So here we can see that I have successfully set up this automation and this workflow between IndiaMART and Vtiger. And now as I'm going to receive a new lead through IndiaMART, then automatically I will create a new contact in CRM application. Now here I can efficiently manage all my leads in one place, and now my sales team can have a efficient follow-ups with all my leads. So here I have successfully created this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect, and here I have connected IndiaMART with Vtiger without any coding and programming skills. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect, and here in Pabbly Connect I have connected IndiaMART with Vtiger CRM to automatically create IndiaMART leads as Vtiger contact. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was IndiaMART, and my trigger event was new leads. Then I have set up my actions tab, and my action application was Vtiger CRM, and my action event was create contact. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.